RC aircrafts, they come in all shapes and sizes, but then how ready are they to fly? That's a whole different story. Let's see. Ready to fly, these are crafts which come with everything built, the whole airframe. You get a radio transmitter, you get a receiver, and batteries as well. So you just charge and fly. Next, you have bind and fly. This is the first upgrade where you already have your radio and you choose a compatible bind and fly model. Everything will come pre-tuned, the servos, motors, everything is mounted. So you just bind with your radio and you go out and fly. Next, we get to plug and play. That is where you get to build a little bit, but then most of the parts are already built. It comes with the servos, electronics, and motors. You will have to use your own receiver, battery, and radio to get it up into the air. Kit builds. This is where you start building quite a bit. The airplane comes in a box in parts. Well, it could be also a quadcopter that comes in a parts but in the box, but what you need is your own motors, your own receiver, and other electronics. So you really get a lot more control over the power plant and how the craft behaves in air. Scratch building. This is where, according to me at least, the fun really begins. This is where you design, cut, build yourself from a variety of raw materials. This could be coroplast, foam boards, balsa wood, or anything. And you have complete creative control over how the craft flies. You learn a lot. This is where you learn how the craft actually flies, why do they fly, how you make them fly the way you want them to fly. Of course, you could use 3D printing and CNC cutting. That adds another layer of complexity, but a huge layer of learning because you learn how to CAD stuff. So, where do you want to begin?